Are you planning to retire? Well, now could be the perfect time for you to make your move. If you thought about retirement or have already retired this year, you may be planning your next steps. And one of your goals could be selling your house and finding a home that more closely fits your new retirement lifestyle. Fortunately, you may be in a better position to make a move than you realize. And here's a few things to think about when making that decision. Consider how long you've been in your home. From 1985 to 2008, the average length of time homeowners typically stayed in their home was only about 6 years. But according to the National Association of Realtors, that number is rising today, meaning many homeowners are living in their homes even longer. When you live in a home for a significant period of time, it's natural for you to experience a number of changes in life that happen while living in that house. And as those life changes and milestones happen, your needs may change too. If your current home no longer meets them, you may have better options waiting for you. Consider the equity you've gained. And additionally, if you've been in your home for more than a few years, you've likely built up some significant equity that can fuel your next move. And that's because the longer you've lived in your house, the more likely it's grown in value due to home price appreciation. Data from the Federal Housing Finance Agency illustrates that point. While home price growth varies by state and local area, the national average shows the typical homeowner who's been in their house for 5 years saw it increase in value by over 50%. And the average homeowner who's owned their home for 30 years saw it almost triple in value over that same time. Consider your retirement goals. Whether you're looking to downsize or relocate to a dream destination or move so you can live closer to loved ones, that equity can help you achieve your homeownership goals. NAR shares that for recent home sellers, the primary reason to move was to be closer to loved ones. Plus, retirement played a large role for those moving greater distances. Whatever your home goals are, a trusted real estate advisor can work with you to find the best option. They'll help you sell your current house and guide you as you buy the home that's right for you and your lifestyle today. So here's the bottom line. Retirement can bring about so many awesome changes in your life, including what you need from your home. Let's connect to explore your opportunities in our local market. My name is Dick Barr. I'm the managing broker with the Dick Barr Group at Village Realty in Lindenhurst, Illinois. Have a great day. Home. It's been our place of refuge since the beginning of time. A place for shelter, a place for comfort, a place for peace. In 2021, our homes now function in far more diverse ways than they ever have before, making our choice of home even that much more important. At the Dick Barr Group, we understand your home is far more than building materials and land. It is where you live, where you work, and where you learn. One thing that will never change, however, is the joy of being welcomed back home and welcoming people to our home. Welcome home, America.